Today, you're going to learn how strong verbs make you sound confident and clear. Good leaders don't say, I was involved in. They say, I led, I built, or I solved. Here are some strong verbs that you can use. Led for managing projects or people. Delivered for getting results. Launched for new ideas or products. Resolved for fixing problems. Improved for making things better. And secured for deals or agreements. For example, instead of saying, I helped with marketing, say, I launched the new marketing campaign. Strong verbs show you own your work. That's fluent English, and that's a master move.